Yes, greetings everybody. I don't know, says Negus Samara, and you are watching Negus Speak. This is my brand new segment on YouTube where I voice my opinion on things that I think are bullcrap in society. And I might offend a few people. I'm going to offend a lot of people because a lot of people are so soft nowadays. It's disgusting. But anyways, remember to share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Tell me how good your day was. I don't give a damn. But let me get straight into it. So now I was scrolling through Facebook earlier, right? And I saw this stupid ass post. And this post, it just, I couldn't pass it. I couldn't pass this. I couldn't scroll past it. So it goes a little something like this. The day my husband asked me to pay halves on the rent is the day I pack my bags. And then you have someone underneath that's super funny. And they said, and go where? You can't afford half rent. And they are right. Where are you going? You can't afford half rent. Your husband asked you to pay half. Let's say he did ask you to pay half of the rent. You're going to pack your bags and leave. Where are you going to go? You can't pay half the rent here. But all fun and jokes aside, the day her husband asked her to pay half the bills is the day she packed the bags and go. Why? Because that's what they were taught. They were taught that a man is here to improve their quality of life, at our expense. Okay, so don't you live there, Miss Eden? Don't you use the stove, the bathroom, all that good stuff, the light, the AC, all it. Don't you use any of that? And you're frowning when you have to pay half the bills. That don't make no sense to me. Zero. You understand? The day he asked. So let me ask you this now. What are you doing with your money, Miss Eden? People say, oh, wait, what are you asking her? What should you do with her money? You watching her? You know what I mean? I just want to know. Because I got to pay all the bills. You know what I'm saying? I can't save. Are you saving? Yes, they are saving. Saving. You don't want your man to save, Eden? You don't want to save for a rainy day, Eden? But anyways, from a man's perspective, they're not listening. They don't give a damn. So let me just read something that a female posted, because it's easily received from a female sometimes. Sometimes they disrespect these females too and say they call them pick me and stuff like that when they're defending men. That they're so disrespectful. If a man asks them to pay half the bills, they'll say, what the first thing they're going to say? Come, let's be honest. He's not my man. He's my roommate. Okay, so if your man asks you to pay half the bills, he's your roommate. So if I got to pay all your bills, you're my daughter. Go clean your room up. You're my daughter. Go clean your room up. Go brush your hair, your teeth, wash your face, go take a shower, bathe. It's dinner time. Come downstairs. Go to school. That's how we're going to be dealt with right now. Because the disrespect from the feminine energy is the ultimate disrespect. You know how creative women are with their words. They go for the gusto. Women will make you feel like you ain't shit. You feel me? But I'm just saying, the mindset of this woman right here is toxic as hell. But let me continue. So I scroll through the comments because, you see posts like this. I love reading comments. I'll read comments all day. So let me read a comment from this wonderful, nice booby right here. She said, I never understood when chicks don't want to pay anything. I never understood it either. You don't want to pay for nothing. What are you doing with your money? Continuing. Unless she's a psalm. A psalm is a devoted mother, a full-time mother. She don't work. She don't leave. She don't do no work. She growing the kids, homeschool, all that jazz. Unless she's a psalm or in school full-time, something like that. All adults need to pay bills. I'm a firm believer that all monies go into an account, then all bills get taken out. When you're married, all finances belong to both. Nobody is here to improve your quality of life at their expense, whether it's a man or a woman. Fellas, these ladies aren't here to improve your quality of life. They are not. Go get a job, my guy. Lady, Go get a job. If I gotta pay all your bills, you my daughter. Since you want to talk about if I want to go half on the bills, I'm your roommate. If I gotta pay all your bills, you're my daughter. Go clean your room. We can go tit for tat with the disrespect all day. We can go tit for tat, but let's not do that. We're trying to problem solve. We're trying to build our families back together. Because we see clearly there's a rift. There is total separation in the black household. I don't understand what the hell is going on. And this mindset gotta leave. Because basically, what she's coming from a traditional standpoint. Her statement, it has tradition written all over it. Because why? Why did the man back in the days got to take care of the woman? Because you were property. You couldn't work. You were basically property. You couldn't work. You couldn't vote. You were basically, you know what I mean? It's not me, but you were basically a pet. That's how you were. That's how men treated you back in the day, booby. I'm not saying it's right. I'm not saying it's right. I'm definitely not saying it's right. That's oppression. I'm black. I know what oppression is. And I don't want anybody oppressed out there. I don't. But you want a traditional man because your great-grandmama and your grandmama got it good. You got it better. You are able to vote. You are able to work. You are able to graduate university at higher levels than even your male counterpart. You guys are winning. But yet still you want to remain in the loser's position. The reason why great-grandmama had to take the outside child and raise the outside child because she wasn't working. She had to put up with everything that this man did to her. Everything. She had to keep a blind eye and shut up. He got outside kids. She got to take care of them too if the kids live close by. And she got to treat him like her kids. She got to treat him just like her kids too. All right? They had to stay and get abused. Because why? You couldn't work, you couldn't vote. Now, 2020, women's liberation and all these things. That's a spit in the face to all these women, all these feminists that went out on the street and they got disrespected. They got things thrown at them. They got called names. They got arrested. You, Miss Eden, you just took 10 steps back. All these women, they fought for nothing. These women fought for nothing because you still want a man to pay for your bills. These women fought for your independence, your right to vote, your right to work. But yet still you want to remain a pet. You just want to receive. You want your quality of life to be improved and enhanced at someone else's expense while you do what with your money. But anyways, that was Vanessa's comment. Now we have this little shorty. I mean, she tried to clap back at Vanessa, but it didn't work. And they roasted her in the comment section too. You know what I'm saying? Folks saying that she have a OnlyFans account, so she doesn't qualify to speak on nothing here. You got an OnlyFans account, but you belong to the streets. Shut up. We're talking about people who want to have families here. Shut up. All right? Continue busting it open on the internet. Listen, she said to Vanessa, did you get picked yet? Probably not, because the kitty is trash. That's the first thing. I'm talking about the disrespect now. You see how disrespectful they are? She is challenging this girl, and the first thing she go for is her vaginal cavity. That's the only thing it goes to show the first thing she went for, her mindset. What did she go for? She went for the vaginal cavity. Why she couldn't go for education or something? Oh, you're probably dumb as hell. That's why you didn't get picked. She went for the kitty cat. Sex. That's all they know. Sex. That's all they got to bring to the table. So she said, Vanessa, did you get picked yet? Probably not, because the kitty is trash. It's not about not wanting to. It's because it's about the fact that if I'm offering my body and health for him, a baby and family, the hell do I look like going half on everything else? What do you mean by that? What do you mean you're sacrificing your health, your life, and that's what you're supposed to do. You're a human being. You bring forth life when you ram, when you stooky, when you have sex, and a little sperm is spilt. Booby, you're gonna get pregnant and you're gonna bring the child. Why everything gotta be a transaction? Oh. You know what? Let's just keep it funky here. Let's just keep it funky. You're selling. Let's just keep it real. You are selling. Am I right or am I wrong? It sounds like a transaction. You pay nothing because why? You're having sex which you enjoy and you have a child which you're gonna love. That's why you don't want to pay anything. Okay, makes sense to me. All right, let's continue. The hell is the man there for then, if I can do it all by myself? A man's job is to protect and provide. They love talking about men's job is to provide. Provide what? When they talk about providing, that's what they want. Money. They never yet talk about provide emotional support, spiritual support. It's all money support. Always. I never hear nobody. Oh, I need somebody that's emotionally stable, someone that's, been through the mud and back because, they are now equipped with a strength that's out of this world because of their trials and tribulation. No! Protect and provide. Provide what? Money. Money! Am I lying? Okay, let me continue now. A man's job is to protect and provide. That's my job to feed myself with or without him. Wait. So it's your job to... Wait. A man's job is to protect and to provide. That's my job to feed myself or with or without him. But I ain't doing his job and mine at the same time. But you just clearly said that he has to improve your quality of life. If he asks you to pay any bills, you're dipping. So he has to do your job and his. Oh my God, they keep telling on themselves when they try to explain stuff. It's like they're not hearing what they're saying. You know what I'm saying? Let me continue. She said she's not going to do his job and her job at the same time, but yet still, he's doing your job. I don't know. Oh my God. All right. I ain't doing his job and mine at the same time, let alone sharing accounts and shit, because that's not even true. One person can be down, she say broke, sick, pregnant, and the other has to hold it down until the other partner can catch up. Listen to me, young girl. You sound so entitled, it's sickening. You sound so entitled, it is sickening. You guys spat in the face of all these women that came before you that fought for your liberation, for your opportunity to go to school, to work, to vote, to be a human being, to be treated like a human being, because this system held you down all these years. This system put you down in a position and tell you that you are nobody, you are less than the man. And now you have the opportunity to show the man who you are, but yet still you want to remain like this. You want to remain like this. You are a bum. Go get a job. You're a bum. If I ask you to pay half the rent and you call me your roommate, I'm going to start calling you my daughter if I got to pay all the bills and you got to go listen. Go to your room and go clean up. Okay? Go clean up. You mad disrespectful now, shorty. The mindset of these ladies is sickening, and fellas, red pill. Let's stop simping out here, man. Protect your... Let me tell you something. The job that I'm in, I travel all over the southern states. Okay? And when I look at the husbands and I look at the wives, I'm like, okay, are you older than your wife, sir? Oh, no, we same age. Or they might be 5 years older than her. But when you look at the physique of when you look on these men, how they look unhappy and they're aging so fast. And when you look at the wife, she's so nice and well put together, so nice and neat, and she looks always so young and fresh. But when you look at the man, you see struggle written all over his face. When men die before women, you think it's because we're stupid and we do reckless things? I mean, yeah, we do reckless stuff. But we die because we got to take care of another human being that is able. That's why we die early. That's why we die early. Because we have to push our bodies to the limit. Because if we don't, society is going to call us ain't shit, man. We're no good. We're this, that, and the third. We don't benefit nobody in society. That's how we get dealt with. I'm sick of it. And you speak upon these things, they say you hate women. They say, who hurt you? Again, the disrespect. Who hurt you? Who hurt you? That's so dismissive. Why someone gotta hurt me? Why can't I see the bull crap that you're doing and call you on it? Is it disrespectful for me to tell you that women fought for your right to be a human being? Is it disrespectful when I ask you to pay half the rent because I'm not going to push my body to the limit like that while you're at home chilling? It's the same thing. If a girl gotta go to work all day, come home, her boyfriend or husband is on the PS4 all day, that look kind of crazy, ain't it? You didn't cook, you didn't clean, you didn't do nothing. That's how crazy we looking at you guys. You know what I'm saying? Yo, my name is Negus Speaks, ladies and gentlemen. And this has been Negus Speaks. You guys have a wonderful day. And if you're offended, good.